You too, you too. Look. I truly apologize for this terrible mistake. But look though, it's like I'm not no YouTube without making mistakes, fool. Look, my audio got messed up, fool. It was in slow. I was recording in slow motion, and I messed up a couple of scenes. But basically, what I was saying in this clip, fool, is that today I'm gonna be doing the flip phone challenge, fool. So getting girls' number with flip phones. So like, comment, and sub because this is a banger video for real. Comment down below if y'all want to see a part 2 in my Valentine's Day. No cap. This part of the video really not important at all. It's just me doing flunky activity for HBK Huncho. If y'all want to see what I recorded for HBK Huncho, go to his page, fool, because this is gonna be my only time saying this. Hey, shout out to my cameraman Brandon too, fool, cause that man is tough. For him to be doing this for free, he is tough. Hey, that nigga is my regular cameraman as long as I still can pay him for free, fool. No cap. You know what? Hey, scratch that, fool. Hey, Brandon, you tripping, fool. Nigga, this was one for the books, nigga. And you didn't have it focused out of the way, fool. Nigga, you fired, nigga. Oh my God, brother. You see that tree? I could have chopped that tree, fool. You get what I'm saying, bro? Nigga, you fired. I bet. As I've been waiting on, I finally got my first victim with the flip phone. But hey, look though. Check out the one in the brown, fool. Hey. Nigga, I was ready to risk it all, but I had to think about it, fool. She on Bill shaking that tail and everything, fool. But anyway. Bingo, first clip, P-Gang. Just look. Use your goddamn eyes. Bingo. Put up the flip phone. She started shaking that tail. I almost grabbed it, fool. But yeah, I ain't grab it, though. And basically the one in the brown, like, a flip phone? What you gonna do with a flip phone? But her though, fool. Shoot, I can't even explain it, fool. Just know they were feeling me, fool. And guess what though? And you see me. I'm looking like, damn, a flip phone? Like because I got a flip phone. And look at them. Them hoes just want to be in something. Lame man, ho.
She said she love me, whatever that now. Do me a favor, say that shit.
Look, Pete Gang, check me out. Look, you see that girl right there for them two girls that walk by? I thought, fool, that they were with their niggas. Well, I still do think they were with their niggas, fool. No cap, fool. And basically what I'm saying, fool, is that she was shaking that twagging and wagging for my camera while they were with their niggas, fool. And like, I ain't gonna lie, fool. I don't know how to feel about that, fool. And that's basically what I'm saying right now, fool. I'm like, bro, if you bring your girl on bill, fool, and you see a bunch of niggas like us, man, just go the other way, fool, because we a bunch of dreadhead, wavehead bandits, fool. You know what I'm saying? Ever since my girlfriend broke my heart, I ain't never been right there since. No cap. Bingo, my next victim. I ain't gonna cap though, fool. I ain't step on them myself, I ain't gonna lie. Really, fool, HBK and goddamn Brandon ran down on them, fool. But, you know, I just swooped in like a Superman because I'm Captain Sailor Ho. But yeah, though, Twist head, hey, I really wanted her, fool. But now I think about it, fool. Have y'all ever seen that movie You Got Served, fool? Y'all remember the nigga who got shot and beat up? Y'all can't lie and say she don't like the nigga from You Got Served. But anyway, though, yeah. I did want her, fool. And, like, I pulled out the flip phone and she gonna say, I'm gay. I said, shit, I'm gay, too. Wasn't that like that? Wait. What I was saying was like, fool, yeah, she said she gay, fool. And I'm like, shit, I like girls, too. You know what I'm saying? Type shit, you know what I'm saying? And I ain't gonna lie, I tried to get her number so bad, fool. But she wasn't going. So I said, you know what? Let me pull out the let me get the Instagram. She said, okay. How you know dang well I can't get on Instagram phone, no goddamn flip phone, fool. She really tried to play me, fool. No cap, fool. If I'm from Louisiana, I'll bet me a mother. Get what I'm saying, fool? But yeah, though. I shook her hand, bro, to leave soul ties, but it didn't work. She won't shake my hand. That's crazy, fool. Damn.
I know what just happened, bro. Bro, on my mama. I had a whole video for y'all niggas, but this, no, I'm just playing myself.
Don't blame it on
It was in slow motion, bro. I swear to God. So what we do now? We finna go on you with him and see where all the hoes is. But hey, redhead. Got an Instagram or something? Yeah. Get by there. So got my phone. I know what anybody just called my Oh my! Oh my God! Damn!
Come on now,
She run away from the haircut.
You got property.
I don't know why, fool, but motherfucker not fucking with the flip phone, fool. I don't know why, bro. Like, everything go good when I put the flip phone, then everything go left. This shit crazy, fool. How life work, cuz. Crazy. But she gonna get up with y'all there with the next clip food, no cap. Hey, look, I don't understand why these motherfuckers not like niggas with fucking flip phones. Thumbnail.
I went 2 for 2 in Nashville with that hoe.
Thumbnail.
Hell, bro, you gotta calm down. Don't walk on me. Let me pour some right. Let me pour.
Oh. Get me right. I do behind the yeah. Hey, I'ma just let time. Be. Still out. Now you gotta do all right. I don't care. I swear, if this a nigga move, I'm gonna be mad.
He like this, your nigga move, I'm be mad. Nah, that's on 28.
It's sad. Telling y'all, stop sleeping on a nigga. Hey, hold on though. Lex.
I can't be in there.
I always can.
Glad to see you too. I'm with my like 7 victims, and we finna see if it work. So yeah. So twinking on do what you doing is over. Right. And like, you said I ain't work. I said it might be booze or something.
I'm ready like booze.
Hell,
I'm not ready, y'all.
Hey, look. I don't want to answer. I like this.
Hey, what's this? What am I doing?
Yo, yeah. Hold on. Give me 10 seconds. I didn't even play with your hang on, girl. Good. Hey, look though. My homeboy, he ain't like how y'all want. My homeboy did this shit real quick. I guess I'm asking for too much now. Hey, bro, you do YouTube? Do YouTube? No. I ain't start one in. Yeah. Might be the end of the video. I don't know yet. Alright, just out of curiosity. Like, even though I am a random person on the street. So if I was to walk up to y'all, like it's our number, Instagram or something, what would be the odds of me getting y'all Instagram or number or something? Like I was thinking what you think.
Probably like 100%.
Oh, I like that. So can I get your number?
Yeah.
Like
Ready?
Ready.
Alright, 7.
Hey.
Okay.
My
This is my number. It's Katie.
Mark. I'm gonna see you again, right? Say it later. You seen that wink, nigga? Okay. You seen that wink, nigga? Look, I mess with all races. Black, white, black, Latinos, everything, no count. Like the video, that's one. I don't want. Hell no! I done heard that. I didn't be down 911, bro. I say, cuz. I want to hear it, cuz.
Shit, Trump. Take you, man.
I ain't talking shit. They do. I want to
Who is that?
We been finding out. I'm on YouTube. Man, fuck it. Get out the way. What you got to ask me, bro?
Ask him, do he want that ass at Tulsa? You know what I'm saying?
Huh?
Do you want what?
The ass at your Tulsa. For you, do you want your ass at Tulsa? For you, are you?
Okay, well, I just want to say, look,
What I do? I'm gonna eat that ass. Suck them toes. All the bull. Yeah, get it on camera. Yeah. What did it look like this? About you.
You want your ass at Tulsa?
I say both of them.
Tight shit.
Okay, then.
We not doing that tonight, bro. No.
They by the seat.
Wait, no, the bitch fine. Hold on, no.
It's not Cuban, it's the Dominican.
Council. Hey, you my fucking cameraman, bro.
That's how you got it.
My cameraman.
You don't never supposed to cut that.
Oh, God. My nigga act like you invisible, cuz.
I ain't noticing his ass.
Hey, come here, T. Hey, cuz, asking me saying, that man ain't gonna goddamn. Who the fuck is him? That man said, bitch.
We're recording. Right. Actually, what's the most fucked up thing you ever did to a black person?
On God, it be like History Month. Council. You're not gonna set me up, cuz. You're not gonna set me up, bud.
Barely moving. She yellow.
That man there, right there, camera. Look at you, son. Have a good day now. Look at you, son.
You working with a man said. And a man said.
Yeah, for sure. Probably not on mine, though.
You got it, I seen it.
Hey, look. So, question of the day, I'm still want to see what you recommend. Alright, so still want to see what's the odds you your number. Alright, so, might get your number? Come on, phone.
Ooh.
I don't know how to work this. Give me your number.
Fuck your number in. The number, talk the numbers in, man. That's all my phone I got. I can't afford no iPhone.
I'll buy you one. If you make it there.
I'm
I'll
going
give
like
you one. I'm a chicken ass bitch.
Hold on now.
Yeah.
Let me right there.
Appreciate it.
Where y'all going? Shit, yeah.
I say you so. I got me another big one. Hey, look. I'm here with. You heard with?
What?
You say he's a hurt.
Yeah, we heard.
Heard with?
Got another victim?
Nah.
How's that work?
Hey, you pretty hell, bro. I like your brace. Alright, so on today's video is, would you rather get your ass or your toes?
My what?
Your ass or your toes?
My ass ate.
Oh, God.
Oh, God.
Can we fuck each other so we doing it together?
Hey,
You gotta do it.
It's only right.
We gotta do it together.
On my
We gotta do
soul.
what?
Hey, I get your IG or something? I know your phone, so I'm gonna give you my phone.
Yeah, my shit fucked up. I ain't gonna care.
Shit, mine ain't fucked up though.
Huh? Yeah, but you be fucking like Instagram out here?
Nah, your number.
My number?
Yeah.
Who phone?
Mine.
Why you got this and why you give me this?
What's on my phone? It's your phone.
Who phone?
It's your phone.
It's the only phone you got?
Yeah.
You gonna sleep with me?
What's wrong with this?
You said we.
telling you, bud. That was like Instagram, man. It's my phone right here.
Hey, y'all keep that.
It's mine right there.
Who phone is this?
It's mine. I got two on.
Okay. They gonna
That's that left, bro.
Turn up for it.
Hey, listen. Hey, say. Hey, next time.
Oh shit!
So, as y'all can see, I just met my girlfriend. What's her name, man?
Kyle.
Alright, so the first question is on a scale of 1 to 10, what you rate me?
A 7, just cause you look like something.
I like what?
Just cause you look like something.
What I look like?
A 7. You cute.
I fuck. So, you know, you say you got. Hold on. Can I say you got hoes? Come on, no. Alright, so she said she got hoes, fool. So I'm really trying to see if I can be one on. So on a scale of 1 to 10, what's the odds of me being one of your hoes?
7.
Alright, can you do a 360 for my camera real quick? I ain't catch them. I don't heard it.
Bree. Olivia.
Alright, the first question is on a scale of 1 to 10, what's y'all rate me? Don't rate my, just rate me.
Will we rate you?
Yeah.
You cute. I give you an 8. About an 8, yeah.
Alright, baby. Alright, y'all single?
Yeah.
Alright, so y'all got exes and stuff?
Yeah.
I said y'all got exes?
Yeah.
Exes.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so do I look better than y'all ex?
Some of them.
Man, how many you got? God damn. How many you got? God damn.
do a video.
I said it. What's your name?
Nay.
Alright, Nate, what's your rating?
What should I rate you? Let me hold on. Let me check the feed.
I like the shoes.
Yeah, you know this song like.
Better.
Damn.
I'll give you better 9.
Alright, appreciate that. Yeah, for sure.
You know them dreadheads do it the best.
How old you is?
I'm 23, baby.
Alright, y'all right around the corner. Alright, so the other question is, you got a boyfriend or you single?
I'm single.
Alright, so that mean you got an ex?
Yeah, I got an ex. I got a couple of them.
Damn! Alright, so do I look better than your ex or not?
Hell yeah.
Shit,